In a surprising turn of events, Nitish Kumar, who declared a year ago that he would rather die than go to NDA, has now joined hands with the BJP after resigning from the post of Bihar Chief Minister on Sunday. Breaking away from the Mahagathbandhan government, he cited that things were not working out well as the reason for his resignation. Nitish Kumar, known for his political maneuvering, took oath as the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 9th time, marking his second volte-face in less than 18 months. The Mahagathbandhan, consisting of Lalu Prasad's Rashtriya Janata Dal and the Congress, is reportedly grappling with international turmoil following Kumar's return to the NDA fold. The Congress, reacting to the development, referred to Nitish Kumar as a chameleon and stated that the people of the state would never forgive his betrayal. Interestingly, it was Nitish Kumar who hosted the first meeting of the opposition parties in Patna, laying the foundation for the formation of India, that is the Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. Nicknamed Paltu Ram in Bihar's political arena, Kumar has adeptly navigated between the BJP and the RJD. A look at Paltu Ram's political career. Nitish Kumar, a leader who has etched his name in Bihar's political history as the longest-serving ruler, achieved this without his party ever securing a majority on its own. Beyond this remarkable feat, highlighting his political acumen and survival instincts, is the underlying reality that the 72-year-old leader has seldom found lasting harmony with his allies, leading to frequent changes in political partnerships. A tongue-in-cheek remark by Congress MLA Ajit Sharma from Bhagalpur humorously suggested, the name of Nitish Kumar deserves to enter the Guinness Book of Records for the number of times he has aligned, dumped and realigned with the BJP. Throughout his 4-decade-long political career, the labels of opportunism and names like Paltu Ram have been attached to Nitish Kumar. Despite this, he has garnered admiration from supporters who commend him for steering clear of corruption, nepotism and misgovernance. Additionally, he is praised for resisting religious majoritarianism throughout his tenure. Born on 1st March 1951 in Bakhtiarpur, a town on the outskirts of Patna, Nitish Kumar hails from a family rooted in Ayurveda and the freedom struggle, with his father being an Ayurvedic practitioner and freedom fighter. Trained as an electric engineer, Kumar embarked on his political journey in the 1970s as a member of the Bihar State Students' Federation and later joined the Janata Party. Elected to the Bihar Legislative Assembly in 1985, he has remained a prominent figure in Bihar politics for several terms. Nitish Kumar served as Bihar's Chief Minister from 2005 to 2014, focusing on elevating the state's infrastructure, education and healthcare sectors. Despite securing re-election in 2015, he resigned in 2017 amid differences with his coalition partner. Ahead of the 2015 elections, Kumar formed a grand alliance with Lalu Prasad's RJD, the Congress and local parties, winning and returning as Chief Minister. However, the alliance dissolved after 2 years. In 2017, Nitish formed a new government with the BJP, serving as Chief Minister for the 6th time. In 2020, despite JDU winning fewer seats than the BJP, he retained the Chief Ministerial position. In 2022, Nitish Kumar again severed ties with the BJP, rejoining the Grand Alliance. He resigned as CM, forming a new government with RJD's Tejasvi Yadav as his deputy. The delay in seat-sharing arrangements and internal differences within the United Front influenced his decision. Despite challenges, Kumar remained confident in the future of his party, considering recent populist measures by his government, contemplating the idea of dissolving the assembly and calling for early polls. What lies ahead for Nitish is yet to be seen, because this is definitely not the end.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.